Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your AIB Mortgage account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in mymortgage.aib.ie in the address bar and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for My Mortgage. Now in order to log into your account, simply click on the login button and you will be taken to the login portal. Once you're in the login portal, you will be asked to enter your phone number and your password. So just go ahead and type in your phone number followed by your password. Finally click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with AIB Mortgage. In case you forgot your password, simply click on the Forgot Your Password button underneath the password box and you will be able to reset your login credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with AIB Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.